Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a company that honestly we haven't taken a really good look at on this channel. I think I've only ever really looked at one of them, but this one really caught me by surprise and caught my interest. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to show you what came in that box and tell you everything you need to know about it. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now we only got one little bit of housekeeping. If you like what you're about to see today, please go ahead and hit me with that big old thumbs up. Alright guys, so I was looking on battlbox's mobile app, and they had this blade on there. Now they had a really cool special on it. Normally it was like $250 to $280, I think, and they had it down to $125. So that really piqued my interest. Not to mention a whole bunch of other stuff that came with this. Now this is the Kizer Isham Theta. It's made by Kizer Isham, and from what I understand, this is part of his Simple series. Really sleek, really elegant, very just concise lines. But there's the blade. Now I want to show you this box, alright? The only other Kizer that I had, I can't remember the exact name of it, but look up top. You're going to see a card for every single everyday affordable carry blade that I've ever brought to the channel. There's only ever the one Kizer I've ever done, so you're going to find it right in there. I thought this was kind of elegant, the way they did it. So you basically have to draw it out of the box. You have their weird little symbols there, which opens up, and I did like that, you know. Passion, pride, performance, designed by Kizer. You get this pretty interesting little patch. And, well, a carry case, which I thought was kind of cool. I'd never gotten one with a blade before, so I'm like, okay then. Now, in this guy, you got your little chamois that, you know, some companies have been sending out an awful lot. And, well, a information packet. Now, what got me was, okay, here's Kizer's brand new website. I couldn't find this blade on that web store. I just couldn't. Found it on Amazon, no problem. But, you know, I didn't find it on that web store. But okay, let's get to the fun like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.375 inches. The blade is 3.125, and closed it's 4.36 inches. It's got an okay weight to it of 3.91 ounces. It's got a flat grind, stonewash finish, which I really truly love. That and the satin, for anybody who's watched my channel, you know those are my two favorite ones. Sorry guys, no coronavirus, just pollen and allergies. It has a plain edge, and the blade steel, as you may have seen by the very beginning, is that CPM S35VN. Pretty friggin' awesome steel, right? Probably why the huge frickin' price point on it. Or this one right here, it has a titanium frame. Yeah, I triple checked everything. Titanium frame. It has a frame lock. Now, this is the only thing about this I don't really like. They call it a hidden flipper. There's your flipper right there. You know, I'm not really good with it, but I'll be honest, I don't know how much I'm going to carry this just because of the price point. I bought it because of the heck of a sale, to be perfectly honest. I don't know if I mentioned, it does have that frame lock. There's only one way to carry it, right-hand carry, tip up. You cannot reverse that. But one of the other things I thought was a little bit cool, it does have those big elongated little, you know, the little thumb things in here that probably when I get it broken in a little bit better will make it easier to deploy. And yes, it is made in China. Alright, now let's get to the fun stuff that we like to do here on the channel. I know I have a whole bunch of trash littering around here, so sorry. Heavy duty stock paper. Holy crap. Oh yeah, she's sharp. Wow. Alright. Normal paracord. Now, a little pull test. Wasn't too bad. And a slice test. Oh yeah. And as we don't know what's going to happen here, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. Oh yeah, right through. Okay. Now, I went looking in 4 different places for this guy to find... Oh, yep, sorry, I always do this. I'm sorry, guys. Nothing. Man, that thing is just beautiful. All right, I went looking in 4 different places to try to find a price point for it. Amazon, BattleBox's mobile app. There is no Kizer.com or Kizer Knives. It's now TIZI-outdoors.com and Blade HQ. Over on Blade HQ, it's going to run you $180. It's been reviewed 5 times for a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. On that TZ Outdoors, I could not find this. I went looking through every search option I could find, couldn't find it. Found a bunch of other Kizer blades, but hey. Now, as of March 17, 2020, on BattleBox's mobile app, it's $180 currently. And on Amazon, sold by Kizer, $180. So that just made me go, okay, so where are you guys getting this $250 to $280 price point that I've been seeing when you're selling it at a much reduced point? But still, that's just me. I don't know if you'd want to take a $70 loss just to move a blade. But okay, so there it is. Now we're at the most important part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know, do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I gotta tell you, it fits pretty good in my hand. You know, it is really smooth to carry. The only thing that I really didn't like was that hidden flipper. And plus, the price point, it's not one I'm really going to carry a lot. I think this is one I'm going to put away and see if it appreciates, and maybe my children can sell it at one point later on. I don't know, maybe. But still. Alrighty, guys. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down there. You're going to see a little channel, well, not little, big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, if you so choose, please destroy the bell icon that is right next to it. Why? Well, great question. Because it's going to let you, my amazing viewer, know every single time this channel uploads a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to pull from my catalog that they think may be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kizer Isham Theta. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.